How can achieve full automation and high standard preservation of viscous, room temperature condensed milk? From empty can cleaning to finished product packaging, the square bottle and scrambler automatically sorts oranges and orange empty packaging cans for output, providing a stable source of cans for efficient production. UV can cleaning machine empty cans enter a sealed channel and are subjected to all-around high-intensity ultraviolet radiation. It effectively kills surface microorganisms, achieving contactless clean pretreatment. The tank has 5 circulating heating channels and a 5-stage independently temperature-controlled hot air circulation system to heat the tank at a uniform speed and gradually. Dual-head rotor pump filling machine designed for the high viscosity of condensed milk. It uses a rotor pump for stable delivery and simultaneous dual-head filling to ensure high filling accuracy, no air bubbles, and no dripping. Fully automatic can sealing machine performs high-speed, precision sealing immediately after filling. Paste labeling machine uses food-grade paste to label cans, ensuring labels adhere firmly and smoothly. It is especially suitable for cans, where condensation may occur, and the labels are less prone to peeling. Dust cover fastening machine automatically fastens a dust cover onto the can opening, providing secondary protection, keeping the can opening and inside the cover clean, and allowing for multiple uses by consumers. The entire production line integrates deep cleaning, pre-sterilization, aseptic filling, instant sealing, and moisture-proof labeling, providing a complete automated solution for condensed milk, dairy products, and high viscosity sauces.